At times, you may find yourself engaging in actions without a clear understanding of the underlying motivations, as the subconscious mind, operating beyond conscious awareness, plays a significant role in shaping your behavior. Exploring and comprehending these influences allows for a better understanding of your choices, sources of joy, and avenues for personal improvement. Inspired by the wisdom of Marcus Aurelius, the journey begins with identifying your morals and values. This process serves as a compass, guiding you to discern what truly matters and influencing the decisions that shape your life. Values, akin to guiding stars, aid navigation through life's myriad choices, providing a moral roadmap based on principles such as wisdom, bravery, fairness, and balance, as espoused by Stoicism. Clarity emerges when you align your actions with your values, infusing purpose into every endeavor and fostering authenticity. These values act as a moral compass, ensuring that your actions align with your beliefs, instilling integrity and authenticity in your character. Challenges become more manageable, and connections, be they personal or professional, flourish when shared values form the foundation. Identifying morals and values transcends philosophical contemplation, offering practical benefits for everyday living, paving the way for a successful and meaningful life. To embark on the journey of self-awareness, one must follow the cornerstone of personal growth, self-awareness, as emphasized by Marcus Aurelius. Cultivating self-awareness involves understanding one's thoughts, emotions, strengths, and weaknesses. This superpower allows for a deeper comprehension of oneself, facilitating better decision-making and resilience in the face of life's challenges. This stoic principle serves as a guiding light, enabling individuals to steer through life's waves with calmness and purpose. Developing self-awareness is not merely a personal endeavor, but also enhances one's ability to understand and connect with others, fostering stronger relationships in both personal and professional spheres. In a world teeming with distractions, self-awareness stands as a secret weapon, offering a compass to navigate the maze of life, ensuring choices align with one's true self. In the pursuit of understanding oneself, the practice of daily journaling, inspired by Marcus Aurelius's meditations, emerges as a powerful tool. Journaling serves as a structured platform for introspection, providing clarity on experiences, tracking behavioral patterns, and celebrating personal triumphs. This analogy activity in the digital age becomes a meditative practice, fostering a deep connection with one's inner self. A journal is likened to a time machine, capturing thoughts, dreams, and experiences, offering a tangible record of personal growth. This sacred space for self-dialogue acts as a mirror, reflecting one's true self and aiding continuous self-improvement. Starting a daily journaling habit opens the door to self-discovery, providing a safe space to explore thoughts and feelings, aligning with the Stoic principle that writing is a tool for reflection and understanding. Trusting one's instincts is identified as a fundamental aspect of self-understanding, as Stoicism recognizes the value of intuitive understanding alongside reason. Trusting instincts involves following inner guidance, even when diverging from societal expectations. It is described as tapping into an inner compass, a personal advisor that aids in navigating life with confidence. Trusting instincts is depicted as empowering, akin to possessing a unique superpower that boosts confidence and self-assurance. In a world filled with opinions and advice, trusting instinct serves as a guiding star, unlocking happiness within oneself. Contemplating reactions to external events is presented as a means to gain insight into one's inner self. Stoicism encourages a measured approach to adversity, viewing challenges as opportunities for growth. Deliberate thinking before reacting is likened to being the director of one's own play, making intentional choices to positively shape the narrative of life. By considering reactions, individuals gain control over impulsive responses, fostering emotional resilience and contributing to a deeper understanding of their emotional landscape. This intentional approach aligns with the Stoic principle that reactions are within one's control, allowing individuals to navigate challenges with grace and composure. In the grand theater of life, thinking about how one reacts is likened to being the wise storyteller, shaping a positive and meaningful narrative. Stoicism teaches that reactions are tools to shape the plot of life, offering individuals the opportunity to craft a story that reflects the person they aspire to become. The intentional contemplation of reactions is a backstage pass, allowing individuals to contribute positively and uplift both themselves and those around them. In a world of unexpected scenes, one's reactions become tools to shape the narrative, and following this stoic principle is akin to being the author of one's own play, crafting a story aligned with personal values and aspirations. Ultimately, the principles outlined, identifying morals and values, developing self-awareness through introspection, maintaining a daily journaling habit, trusting instincts, and thoughtful consideration of reactions, serve as a comprehensive guide to understanding oneself. Drawing inspiration from Stoic philosophy, these practices offer a pathway to unlock happiness within oneself, navigate life's challenges with resilience, and craft a narrative that aligns with one's true self. Previewing before the main event allows you to identify your role. As Marcus Aurelius stated, "Very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking." The key to unlocking happiness lies in your reactions and how you shape your life's narrative. Engaging in creative pursuits serves as a powerful avenue for self-expression and discovery, providing an outlet for emotions and thoughts. Despite the demands of leadership, Marcus Aurelius found solace in creative endeavors, whether through art, music, or writing. Learning something creative is akin to dipping brushes into the paint of life, expressing yourself in unique ways and discovering new colors within. Creativity acts as a magic wand, sweeping away stress and offering a break from life's routine. It's a journey of self-discovery, unveiling hidden passions and talents. Creative expression boosts confidence, nurtures self-esteem, and demands focus, acting as a form of gentle meditation. Taking on new challenges is essential in life's continuous journey of growth. Challenges, according to Marcus Aurelius, are stepping stones to wisdom and virtue. Embracing challenges like an adventurous explorer leads to the discovery of uncharted territories within yourself. Challenges strengthen resilience, build confidence, and provide textbooks for continuous learning and personal growth. They add excitement and adventure to life, injecting vitality into your story. Meaningful conversations, emphasizing human connection, play a pivotal role in self-understanding. They act as colorful threads weaving through the fabric of relationships, building stronger bonds and enriching connections. Conversations are windows into different worlds, empathy workshops, and trust-building tools. They create an atmosphere of openness and honesty, fostering a sense of community. Embracing vulnerability is a strength, not a weakness, according to Stoicism. It involves being honest about fears, insecurities, and aspirations, allowing for genuine connections. Vulnerability is fertile soil for personal growth, a trust-building bridge, and a source of emotional expression. It empowers individuals to navigate life's uncertainties with grace, preventing emotional buildup. Starting a daily meditation habit, a practice endorsed by Marcus Aurelius, cultivates a tranquil mind. It creates a peaceful sanctuary within, like a mental workout, stress relief pill, and balm for emotions. Meditation encourages living in the present moment, appreciating experiences without being burdened by past regrets or future worries. It serves as a daily ritual of serenity, connecting with the stillness within oneself. Focusing on frustrations is a pathway to self-mastery, as challenges and frustrations are inevitable aspects of the human experience. Rather than avoiding difficulties, Stoicism encourages confronting them with a rational mindset. Focusing on frustrations helps identify patterns, engage in problem-solving, and turn frustration into a tool for self-discovery. It's like turning a spotlight on areas that need understanding and improvement. Finding acceptance is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, emphasizing the transformative power of accepting the present moment. Acceptance allows for inner peace, stress relief, and emotional well-being. It fosters understanding, compassion, and adaptability. Acceptance is the key to navigating life's unpredictable currents, recognizing the beauty in both light and shadow. In the pursuit of self-discovery, the teachings of Stoicism, embodied by Marcus Aurelius, offer timeless wisdom. These 12 principles serve as a roadmap for navigating life's challenges with grace, resilience, and wisdom. As you embark on your journey of self-understanding, be patient, compassionate, and true to your essence. In the words of Marcus Aurelius, very little is needed to make a happy life. It is all within yourself, in your way of thinking. May your journey be a source of inspiration and empowerment, guiding you toward a life aligned with your truest values and virtues.